Hi, and welcome to Zidy.com. Today, we'll be looking at how to install the Zidy Mobile App for iOS and Android systems. We'll cover how to install the app, as well as how to properly configure notifications. Let's get started. We'll look at installing the app for Android users. Begin by opening the Google Play Store. Then, at the top, tap the search bar and enter Zidy. The first result should be the Zidy app, but make sure it has the icon, name, and is published by Zidy as you can see on the screen. Next, tap the icon, and then press Install. Depending on your signal strength, this may take a few moments. Once installation is complete, tap Open. Now, we'll look at how to configure your notification settings on an Android device. If for any reason you're not receiving notifications from Zidy on your Android device, this may be related to how your notification settings are currently configured. The easiest way to check your settings is to launch the Zidy app. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken to your Zidy dashboard. Otherwise, you'll see the login screen. From here, you'll tap your multitask button. Depending on Android version and device, the icon for your multitask button may differ from what you see on the screen. For this device, it will be the 3 vertical bars. From the multitask screen, we'll tap and hold the Zidy icon. This brings up a small menu. From here, we'll tap App Info. While we see a lot of setting options here, we're going to tap Notifications. If your notifications are turned on, you'll see the current screen. If your notifications are turned off, your menu will appear as such. Simply tap the slider next to Show Notifications. Now you can choose to allow sound and vibration or deliver quietly. Choose whichever is your preference. Now you should see your Zidy notifications as expected. Now we'll look at how to install the Zidy app on iOS devices. To install the Zidy app for iOS users, start by opening your App Store. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Now enter Zidy. Depending on your screen size, Zidy will be the top result or the most upper left result. Make sure it has the correct icon, name, and is published by Zidy as you can see on the screen. And then click either Get if this is your first time downloading Zidy, or the cloud icon with a downward pointing arrow. Depending on your signal strength, this could take a few minutes. Once the download completes, click Open. If prompted to allow Zidy to send notifications, press Allow. Now, let's look at how to configure notifications on iOS devices. First, open your Settings app. Then, scroll down on the left side menu until you see Zidy. It will likely be at the bottom of your apps list. Now, tap on Zidy. This will open your iOS settings for your Zidy app. Next, tap on Notifications. If Allow Notifications is turned off, simply tap the slider to the right of Allow Notifications. Now you can toggle the type of alerts you wish to receive from Zidy notifications. You can choose to have them appear on lock screen, Notification Center, or as banners. If you choose banners, you'll be able to choose the banner style of temporary or persistent. If you select persistent, the banner will remain until you swipe it away or tap it. You can also toggle sounds and badges. Turning sounds on means that your alert sound will ring when you receive a Zidy notification. And if badges is turned on, you'll see the Zidy icon when you receive a notification. If you select the lock screen, you'll be able to choose how to show the preview, as well as notification grouping. Once you've configured your settings to your preference, simply close the Settings app. And that's it for installing the Zidy app on Android and iOS, as well as configuring the notifications. Thanks for watching.